For today's video, we will derive the quadratic formula. So, meron tayong quadratic formula na applicable sa lahat. So, x is equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So, lahat ng quadratic equation, pwedeng gamitin ang formula na ito. So, tinatawag yan na quadratic formula. So, to derive the quadratic formula, gagamitin lang natin yan ng completing the square. Okay? So, nanggaling lang itong formula na ito, nanggaling lang yan sa method na completing the square. Okay, so let's start with the standard equation natin. So standard form ng quadratic equation, ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay, so i-apply natin ang technique na completing the square. So first step, divide both sides of the equation by a. So first, divide each term. Ayan, both sides or each term by a. So we can cancel this. So we have x squared plus b over a x plus c over a equals 0 divided by a. So that's still 0. Then next step, we isolate the c over a, ilipat sa kabila. So positive c over a, pag nilipat sa kabila, magiging siyang negative c over a. So we have x squared plus b over a, x equals, so nilipat na sa kabila, negative c over a na siya. And then, after this, ang next step natin ay gagawin nating perfect square trinomial ang left side by adding 1/2 of the coefficient of x. So, 1/2 ng coefficient of x, so that is b over a, then i-square natin. So, square natin to, 1 square, so 1 pa rin yun, pwede nang hindi sulat. b times b or b square, so we have b square over 2 times 2, so that is 4, a times a square. So we need to add this term, b squared over 4a squared sa left and right para maging perfect square trinomial ang left side natin. So we have x squared plus b over ax plus b squared over 4a squared is equal to negative c over a plus b squared over 4a squared. Okay, so automatic, magiging perfect square trinomial na itong left side natin or pwede na itong express as square of binomial. So paano siya i-express as square of binomial? Kunin lang ang square root ng first term. Square root of x squared is x. And then kunin din ang square root nitong last term natin. Square root of b squared is b. Square root of 4 is 2. Square root of a squared is a. And the sign will be the sign of the middle term. So we have x plus b over 2a squared equals, so ito naman gawin nating similar fraction. So para gawing similar fraction yan, 4a squared itong isa, itong kabila naman ay a lang. So para maging 4a squared din, multiply tayo ng 4a. 4a over 4a. Okay? So a times 4a, 4a squared na siya. So para maging na siyang similar fraction, so kukopyahin na lang natin ang denominator natin, magiging na lang 4a squared ang denominator. And then, add lang natin tong numerator, pwede nating pagbaligtarin para una itong positive. So we have b squared, unahin lang natin, commutative property yan. So b squared and then minus c times 4a, so gawin lang natin 4ac, alphabetical, una yung a bago yung c. Okay, so next step natin dito is tanggalin natin tong square by extracting the square root of both sides. So tanggal na yung square and square root. So therefore, we have sa left side ay x plus b over 2a na lang. And then equals plus or minus. So plus or minus, pagbukurin natin itong square root natin. Square root ng numerator, b squared minus 4ac over square root of the denominator 4a squared. Okay, so perfect square itong denominator natin. Okay, so next step natin, pwede na nating isolve itong x, itong b over 2a, pwede na nating ilipat sa kabilang side. Kasi kailangan x lang yung matitira sa left. So positive b over 2a, pag lumipat sa kabilang side, magiging siyang negative b over 2a. And then we have plus or minus, i-simplify natin ang denominator. So yung numerator, just copy. Hindi na siya masisimplify. So b squared minus 4ac over square root of 4, that is equal to 2. Square root of a squared is equal to 2a. So similar fractions siya since parehas 2a. So pag-isahin na lang natin siya ng denominator. So therefore we have, so for the numerator, we have negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So this is now the quadratic formula. So meron nga palang, nung nagtuturo ako dati ng grade 9, meron kaming kanta dito para sa quadratic formula para hindi makalimutan ng mga student ko. Ang kanta dito ay to the tune of Jingle Bell. Okay, so kantahin natin. So para makabisado nyo, so ito ay x equals negative b plus or minus radical b squared minus 4ac all divided by 2a. Okay, so yun yung kanta dyan to the tune of Jingle Bell. So yung square root, imbis na square root, sinasabi natin plus or minus radical. Then b squared minus 4ac, imbis na over, sasabihin natin all divided by 2a. Okay? Okay, so I hope nagustuhan nyo ang explanation ko para sa pag-derive ng quadratic formula. At sana nakatulong din yung kanta dito to the tune of Jingle Bell para madali nyong makabisado ang quadratic formula. So thank you for watching, and kung meron kayong math question ay comment nyo lang dito sa aking channel. Pwede rin sa aking FB group or i-DM nyo ako sa aking DM nyo ako sa aking messenger. So search nyo lang ako sa Facebook, RJ Enseñado. Okay, so thank you again for watching. Bye-bye and God bless.